Hello dear student, welcome back to your online classes. This is your subject teacher of English from Alpen Public School situated Kolabachar, Gorakhpur. Student, today's video I am going to explain all the exercises of chapter number 20. Student, for that you all take out your notebook and mention date of today, and one by one you all start the writing of these exercises in a good handwriting. Okay students, so let's start the video. So firstly you all mention chapter number 20 and after that the name of chapter. So the name of chapter is question mark. So firstly you have to write first exercise. In exercise 1 what will we do? So in this exercise take the questions. So student, we have to learn in this chapter that a question marks word is always asking a question. So here we have to find out that which sentence is asking question. So we have to tick that sentence. Okay. So firstly here as we see that number 1 is which school do you go to? So we all know that a question mark sentence have a asking a question. So here we have to see that question number 1 is asking question. So we have to tick the number 1. And after that there is second, Tara is eating candy floss. So it is a simple sentence, so we don't take it. Number 3, you must eat green vegetable. So it is also a simple sentence, so we don't take it. Number 4, is this your school? So student, this sentence is asking questions, so we have to tick it. Number 4. Number 5, how will you go to Manali? So here again this sentence is asking questions, so we have to take it. Now the number 6, we live in a big house. So it is a simple sentence, so we don't. Number 7, where is your notebook? So student, this sentence is asking questions, so we have to take it. After that number 8, why are they laughing? So we have to take it. Number 9, my aunt lives in New York. So it is a simple sentence. Now the next number 10, do you like cricket? So we have to take number 10. So like this we have to take number 1, 4, 5, 7, 8 and 10. So these are the question word. Okay. This sentence is asking questions, so we have to tick. Okay. Now the next exercise A, use capital letter, full stop and question mark. So student, we all know that in a punctuation, when we follow punctuation, so we have to start from the beginning. We have to use capital letter and after that we have putting full stop or question mark according to the question, according to the sentence. Okay. So here number 1, what is he doing? So here what will we do? So firstly we have to change W in a capital letter and after that we putting a question mark because this sentence is asking question and we have to make a question mark sentence. So we have to putting a question mark, okay, at the end of the sentence. Now the next second, he is reading a book. So we have to change H in a capital letter and after that he is reading book. So it is a simple sentence, so we have to use full stop. Okay. Now the next number 3, who is there at the door? So student, we have to see there is a question word. So we have to change W in a capital letter and after that at the end of sentence we have to put a question mark. Number 4, is this your pet? Is this your pet? So we have to put a question mark at the end because it asking a question. Is this your pet? Okay. Now the number 5, what are you eating? What are you eating? So student, what will we do? So we have to change W in a capital letter and after that at the end of sentence we have put a question mark. Okay. Now the number 6, I love vanilla ice cream. I love vanilla ice cream. So for that, so number 6, I love vanilla ice cream. So we have to put a full stop at the end of sentence. Okay. So I love vanilla ice cream, it is a simple sentence, so we have to put a full stop. Okay. Now number 7, do you like cupcakes? So we have to change D in a capital letter and after that when we write sentence, so we have to put a question mark at the end of the sentence. Okay. Number 8, do you know that boy? So we have to write, do you know that boy, like this. So after this we have to complete this exercise, exercise E. Now after completing exercise A, we moving to the next exercise B. So in exercise B, what will we do? So put this word in order to make questions. So student, here is the some word. Firstly, we have to arrange this word in order, and after that make a questions. So firstly, in here number 1, there is that who woman. So we have to write who is that woman. Okay. Second is calling who. So we have to write who is calling. Number 3, sleeping is Aarti. So we have to write is Aarti sleeping. Number 4, are you late? Why? So we have to write why are you late? Number 5 is who? Brother your. So we have to arrange this word who is your brother. Now the next number 6, are eating what they. So we have to write what they are eating. What they are eating. Now the next number 7 is going where. Rana is going where. Rana. So we have to write where is Rana going. Where is Rana going. Number 8, do know him. How you. So we have to write how do you know him. How do you know him. Number 9, your name is what. So we have to write what is your name. What is your name. Next number 10, angry are you. So we have to write are you angry. After completing exercise B, now moving to the next. There is a next is exercise C. What will we do in exercise C? So correct this sentences, put capital letter, full stop or question mark. So according to the given sentences, we have to rewrite this word by using capital letter and full stop or question mark. Okay, so in number 1, every year I go to Simla. So we have to write this sentence in a simple way. Okay, we have put a full stop because this sentence is not asking question, so we not put a question mark at the end of this sentence. So we have to write every year I go to Simla, and we have to put a full stop. Okay, now the next second, Seema is a professor. Seema is a professor. So it is a simple sentence, so we have to write as like as it is. Okay, now the next is number 3, is this your bag. So student, this sentence is asking questions. So whenever a sentence asking questions, at the end of that sentence we have to put a question mark. Okay, so in number 3 we have to write is this your bag. Okay, now the next number 4, your phone is ringing. Your phone is ringing. So it is a simple sentence, so we have to put a full stop at the last stop at the end of this sentence. Okay, now the number 5, is the food hot. Is the food hot. So we have to write is the food hot, and we have to put a question mark because this sentence is asking question. So now next is, are you her cousin. Are you her cousin. So it is a correct, so we have to write in the same way. Now the next number 7, are the boys from your school. So student, it is a correct, so we have to write are the boys from your school. Number 8, is it ringing. Is it ringing. So this sentence is asking questions, so we have to put a question mark at the last. Now the next number 9, the weather is pleasant. The weather is pleasant, so we have to put a full stop. Okay students, so now next number 10, how is your health. How is your health. So we have to write how is your health by using capital letter and question mark. Okay students, so like this we have to complete these exercises in notebook with a good handwriting. I hope is that clear to you how to complete your notebooks. Okay students, so you have to also write these exercises in your notebook with a good handwriting. So till then, stay safe, stay healthy, and complete your homework copy. Okay students, so I hope is that clear to everyone.